Alright, I want to make a quick video about this. I've got one of these Pro Temp 70,000 BTU Torpedo heaters, and I'll show you what it's doing. You turn it on, it acts like it wants to fire. It's getting a little fuel, but it sounds like it's starving for fuel. Let's see what happens here. It automatically shuts off. Now I'm getting the blinking light. If you got that problem, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Stay tuned. I believe this hose is the problem. You see it's got a couple cracks in it. It acts like it's not getting fuel. So if you take the 4 screws out on the front of the control plate, remove those hose clamps. There's one there. Once you remove the lid, mine has a little hinged lid on it, so there's 3 screws there. Remove that hose. I'm going to replace it. I think that's going to solve my problem. See right there, it's got some still broken there. So if this doesn't fix the problem, at least I know I've got a brand new hose for it. So just want to go to the auto parts store and get you some fuel line. This one's a little smaller, inner diameter. Hopefully it'll work for me. If you don't have this tool, you need to get this tool. This thing is great for cutting the hoses. Okay, now we're going to put it back together, fire it up, and make sure it works. One more thing to point out here. This is your photo cell. Zoom in for me. This is your photo cell. Sometimes, if that's dirty, you're not going to be able to fire. Is what I had before. So check that. Check your hoses. I'm pretty sure this is gonna fix my problem though. But I've said that before about things, so I'm gonna have to see how it goes. Here we go, moment of truth. I think that's gonna be solving the problem. That's solved the problem. Just a cracked hose is all that was. And it was acting like the photo cell was bad. If you guys have that issue, check your hoses. This has never been replaced. I need to replace those hose clamps or tighten them down a little bit more. I can probably bend them back in place. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, if it helped you learn something, comment. If you got questions, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace out.